how much you can make selling your hair, depending on color, length, and more. Most of us are so attached to our hair, both literally and figuratively, that the idea of chopping it all off and selling it may sound ludicrous. But when you find out how much your hair could sell for on the market, it might be enough to adjust your position. But if you're reading this and wondering where to sell your hair, chances are that you're willingly considering giving up your locks in exchange for cash. How much money, exactly? Multiple online classified sites allow you to set your price. On HairSellin, one seller was able to sell 20 inches of straight, European, light blonde hair with gold highlights for $800. Another fetched $300 for 18 inches of straight, black, Asian hair. On the site Online Hair Affair, one seller set an asking price of $2,000 for 22 inches of luscious, soft strawberry blonde hair. Another is asking $350 for 22 inches of dark brown hair. So, there don't seem to be any rules when you set the price yourself. Red is the most valuable hair color. While you can set any price for your hair when selling it yourself, the market value is different. But if you have red hair, you're in luck, because you have the most valuable hair color. According to the HairSellin hair price calculator, the most valuable colors are, in descending order, red, blonde, white/gray and auburn, tied for third place, chestnut, black, and brown. You must have at least 10 inches of hair to sell. When it comes to selling your own mop, long hair is the name of the game. In fact, the longer, the better. Buyers generally aren't interested in any hair shorter than 10 inches in length. Even charitable organizations like Locks of Love state that a minimum of 10 inches is needed to make a hairpiece. The most valuable and desirable type of hair is virgin hair and thick hair. Online hair price calculators can give you an idea of what your hair is worth. Before throwing your ponytail online for sale, there are several online calculators you can use to get an estimate for how much your hair could fetch on the open market. You just need to enter some essential information, like the color, length, thickness, and condition. Kind of like the Blue Book value of a car, these are generally accepted projections. None of the calculations are a guarantee, though, so don't go spending that money before you've sealed the deal. Your lifestyle and hair care routine has an effect on how much your hair is worth. There are many reasons why people might want your hair.
Human hair is incredibly efficient at cleaning up oil spills. If you want to sell your hair, cut back on shampooing. Another way to increase your hair's value is to be mindful of how often you wash it. Overwashed hair is less vibrant, and frequent shampooing increases your chances of developing split ends. Also, there's little demand for men's hair. Visit any hair classified website, and you'll notice there's far less demand for men's hair. Even if it's over the requisite 10 inches, is virgin, and has all the other desirable qualities. Buyers aren't as interested in men's hair. Conversely, the few men who do take proper care of their long locks typically aren't as willing to sell for the prices offered, reducing the supply.